Yeah, man, peeps. Yard and abroad. Top of the morning, viewers, subscribers. Welcome back to the channel to another excited adventure. Me I go up and see it, as you see. They barely light. But my outside I do it, you know, so yard and abroad. Keep it locked, man. Bad solo adventure for you today, you see me? Yeah, man, go see where I can catch out on the waters. So, man, keep it locked, man. Big up everybody who are tuning into the channel. Big up every new subscribers. You see me? I'm telling you, say, 2025, you know. We are press some video, you know. We are make it happen. Yeah, man, keep the fans them entertained. So, people, keep it locked, man. Tune in, see what I go on here. Yard and abroad. Bless up, man. Yeah, man, peeps, as I tell you, they barely light. They just a come out, you see me? Yeah, man. You don't know what go out on the waters, you know. Yeah, man. See what I go on, but you don't know, say. Me have some bait from the other night. We go fishing. We never have no luck that night there. We no catch one, you see me? So, we have some leftover bait, so I just pick up a few crabs, see if I can find a few crabs. Yeah, man, for go with that, you know, because you know that the parrots them like, so. Peeps, stay tuned. Yeah, man, peeps, so reach a one spot where normally find crab, so you see what I go on now. Go and rest my stuff them out here, so yeah, man, rest my rod, my bucket, put the crab them in another bag here in case you find any. Next thing we need to do, yeah, man, get the flash on, cause under them bush here dark, peeps. So when you don't know, you can lift up stuff like this, see if you find any. No, sir, but still a search, peeps. Yeah, man. Sometimes they're hard for finding no peeps. See one, but him small. You know, see me? Very, very small. I'm gone. Yeah, man, the one here small, so no, we are going to left him, you know. Very small, you know. So, see what I go on, at least you see one, so that means we have hopes. Yeah, man. But from where we are search the bush, we can't find nothing. Yeah, man, peeps. So, we could continue with search. You don't know, you know. Find a few, you don't know, we can pick up a few parrots, you know. Time like this, you have to look good, you know. Like the crabs them up on hiding from the other day, you know. Yeah, man. Hard to find. Yeah, man, peeps, so after searching for a while, finally find one. Move a stone, you know. Yeah, man, that one here a good size can use to bait. Yeah, man, so drop him in my bag. Yeah, man. See what I go on, peeps? That one is small. So we are going to leave him, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, find our next few where can use, you know. I don't know, you know. I don't know why them get so scarce, but them here are a good size again, so in my bag. Yeah man peeps. Seems like then they under the stone them, so may I start move some stone and see what we can find, you know? Yeah man. So peeps, lift another stone show you guys. Oh, a nice one here. Yeah man. That's how we find them. You know, because them are hide, you know. And the funny thing about about it, the reason why them are hide like that. Alright, some pigs get to in our bush and you know so the pigs then eat them. So you don't know them have to hide. If you notice how the place dig up. Yeah man, that are the pigs them do it. See the peeps? Them place are dig up. And pigs then do it, you know. So that's why them are hide like that. Cause normally we could have come over here so we find them on the opening, you know. Yeah man. As this is in the bush still dark, you know. Out upon the solo hunting, you know peeps. So yeah man. Let's do this man. Yeah man peeps, so searching so far. This is the biggest one I find. You know normally like in the past month fishing we have catch some huge one where we have to split them in a tree if we pin them on hooks, but see it there? These are the hugest, these are the biggest. I'm not telling no one, that one is huge, so you know I'm there, I gotta search about 5 more minutes and then you know I'm gonna tell you say the bush still dark, you know, cause morning just a peep out, so look over there, can't see through the bushes, but you don't know what we find and what we are going to use. So peeps, keep it locked man, yard and abroad, outside with it. Yeah man peeps, so finally we come back from out of the bush. Yeah man, day light out you know. Beautiful day out, you know the breeze up on the water again today, but I have to make a content for you to the peeps. You see me so? Yeah man. I'm showing you so cause most of you who watch the videos them long time know this location, so I'm showing you what I go on. Yeah man, most of you know you so. Turk will be a beautiful place this day, you know peeps. And you see it? Yeah man, over in the bushes so we are come from. You see me? Caught a few. Nothing much, nothing to talk about. But you don't know. Yeah man, I'm gonna leave my rod and my bucket over here so. Yeah man, go back and pick it up. And then we head to do some fishing, so keep it locked peeps. Yeah man, yard and abroad, I don't know the style. When you see water, out there we are go. Yeah man, no joke about it peeps. Yeah man peeps, so see the few here what we find. Just to show you say, I know nothing much. Anybody in Jamaica know this spring water back there and see say yo. I know nothing much. You get me? So see it there? Not even quarter it, you know, so we are going to just work with this, whatever we catch with this, that is it, you know. Yeah man. I'm going to tell you about some bait what they have from the other night. Some sprat with them are really not day bait. You get me? So really you catch fish daytime on them here. Maybe if you go out on a boat you will, but you don't know. So we are going to head out of the waters. Make things happen peeps. Keep it locked. Yeah man peeps, so out of waters you know. Yeah man. Hopefully today we get for grabbing, you know. 2 nice fish. So I wonder. Alright, me I go down down at the base down there, so see what we can and fish will come up, you know. So me I start down there, so yeah man, down a Lily Rock and fish will come up. You know, look on the sunset. Or the sunrise. On the sunrise. Yeah man, you see it nice? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps. Yard and abroad. So I go on solo fishing today. Whoa. Down there look bad peeps. I swear me see wave a box on upon the rock, and you know when the wave a box, you know, it's dangerous out here, so you know. Yeah man. So peeps, honestly I swear me think me see wave a box over the rock. Look while. I know I'm not blind, I'm blind. You comment and tell me. Yeah man. But what an adventure without look of danger. Yeah man. So peeps, over there. I guess gunfire the right there, so should I try gunfire first, don't? Yeah man. I think I should have tried gunfire first, you know. Yeah man, so we pass gunfire, see gunfire up there, so should I try up there first and then go down at Lily. Yeah man. So from I see the water so far up on the rock, man, you know say. See it there? Wave a reach way up here, so like last night. You get me? See it? Nah lie you. See it there? Yeah man. Way up at them place here, wave a reach last night. Whoa. See that peeps? Like I inside of the sea, man, they done. Boy peeps, honestly, reach so. Whoa. Look there. Water hungry. So I go on. Yeah man. Honestly peeps, you know see that? I tell you, you know. Oh, the wave rough today. Don't want to think a joke. I sure know how far up water come on the rock last night. See it? Them here I channel them where water travel. Yeah man. Reach a gunfire peeps. Yeah man. You hear that? Whoop! Yeah man peeps, so I already set one line. Yeah man, see it, I set this rod. I put some squid bait on it, some squid. Yeah man, so see it the peeps. Water rising out there. Yeah man. Whop! Yeah man, so we're outside peeps. One line set already. Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so I'm gonna set my second line. I'm gonna use some sprat, you know. I'm gonna use a sprat. As you notice, this is my barrel line, you know. You notice the wire is on it. So this is my barra line. But currently I don't have no live bait at the moment. So I put a sprat see if I can fish now for one jack or snap or something. So I can't use my 2-1 and no. Sorry about that. I can't use 1 hand. I'm pin on the bait, so I have to go pin on the bait and then I show you what I go on. You understand? So stay tuned. Yeah man peeps. So this is how I go pin him. You understand? And I set him on a floating line. So hopefully one big jacker pass and pick him up, you know? So keep it locked my beautiful peeps. Yard and abroad. It's rough out here, you know? Yeah man, rough. Yeah man, the sea a pitch. Yeah man. Sea is pitching peeps, so we're outside man. Yeah, so we start with fishing today, so we could see what I go on. Yeah man peeps, and this is my first catch. This is a Welshman, we call him on a shorty Joe. You know, because them shorter than the normal one them. Yeah man, so look down in our mouth peeps, so you see it? A small squid there down in our mouth, you know, if you no look real good. See that? Yeah man, so first catch, you know, throw him in our water, make him stay fresh. Yeah man. So peeps, we'll go back out there go see what we can catch again. See the one big line set there, so one set here, so lead it to outer sea, and then my third line. Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so see it there. I pull in this line here. No trouble the bait. Don't watch you see through it crush up. Remember, spread kind of soft and the water rough. You understand? Cause look out the peeps. You understand, the water rough. When I say rough, it's well rough. You see me? As you see, you know, see one boat out there since there for sure you say it's really not a fishing there. You see me? Yeah man. The intensity of the wind can tell you that. So peeps, yeah man, we are gonna pull up the next line. So I go on. You see me? Yeah man. So here people, I pull up the line with the squids as well. See, no mess around it. As I say, no mess around it. So about to pull up the third line down there so now. Cause I go change location. See if I can find even 2 more, you know. Cause I catch one small one already, you know. A shorty Joe. You know, one of them Welshman there, so we are going to see what I go on peeps. Yeah man people, you don't know we're outside. Yard and abroad. Bless up on yourself man. You see me? Out here through a storm I do it done. Yeah man. Solo fishing today. So you don't know. One more line me have down there so for pull up, so I pull you up and then move go down so me I go. You see, try a different location. You see me, as you see, we don't catch a whole heap of soldier crab, so we don't really want to waste it at one place. You see it, so we move along, you know peeps. Yeah man. Yeah man, so this is the third one. I think the wave make the hook expose so much. You know the intensity of the water, you know. But as I say, I go try a different location. You get what I say? Yeah man, none of them set line, you know, get a budge. No trouble them, you see it? So we move along anyway. You get what I say? We out here I try make it happen peeps, but you don't know. The water now give you a chance, but we still have to catch something. And I feel so we have catch something nice today, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man, so I almost forget my one catch. You don't know my one catch is so far. And I not forget him. You understand? See it, him still alive. Yeah man. Nice. I wonder if Barra will eat him. Nice, don't peeps? Nah lie, we catch some colorful fish from the other day. So put him on my string and move along, you know? Yeah, man. Boy, peeps, everywhere we go, it intensify. Jaja know down here so rough to peeps. Nah, man. See what I go on? Come on, peeps, we have to go. See what I go on, if you do it rough down here, so too, we see what I go on, same way. Yeah, man. So we can grab same way, peeps, so. Keep it locked, man, yard and abroad, outside with there. Wow. So I catch another one, peeps. I caught another one. This is called a poison grouper, peeps. Ever hear them tell about a fish named lionfish? This a fish ever joke you see? Yeah, man. What me not lie, peeps? This is the biggest one me ever catch on line. Yeah, man, you have some bone poisonous. No poisonous we kill, you know. But poisonous when me tell us if you left you in some pain there. Yeah, man, peeps. So see me? Fat don't. Yeah, man. Fat peeps. Me not lie, is a fat one this. So I want to take the hook out of my mouth. Alright now. Jaja. Me no want this fish bore me. You understand? But me I tell the peeps, see me. If I don't catch nothing more for the day, well, at least I caught 2. So you don't know. Yeah, man, but see it, peeps. And this upon one of the this line here where you see me catching pan. This here is a 50-pound line. This is a 50-pound line. And that see let me have some spread panda in here and squid panda in the peeps. You see me? So yeah, man, peeps eater. I tell us I have some bone peeps stand up. No people when them a cook this fish, I prepare that fish, them throw away the head. But me, no sir. I go where me eat, man. See it there? So I don't know how me ever get the hook here because I don't bring my pliers as me I say most of my things them the sentence. But it don't look like it that far. See it? Yeah, man. Come to think of it. So see it the paper squid in bite. So I think me I be a chop back down on the end here and throw back the line here. Yeah, man. But me think say me have to wait a minute before me try to move him, you know. Yeah, man, but it's a fat one, peeps. Nice size. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So this is my catch. And I'm not finish it, but honestly, toward the weather I move, the breeze, you know, the water, I don't think me ever catch no more. So I give a thanks so far. You get what I say, peeps? I'm almost out of soldier crab too. So rough day out here. Yeah, man, peeps. So it's a rough day out as I said before. Still out here I try same way, you know. Yeah, man. But you know, so I show you how rough the water be. You know how high the breeze be, so you know me understand what I go on, but I still catch 2 and give a thanks. You get what I say? But you don't know me out of soldier crab. I have a piece of lobster tail left. So after that finish, that's it, you know. Yeah, man, we have the piece of lobster tail here. So after the lobster tail I finish, that is it. Yeah, man, but see it there, yard and abroad, me look who catch. I'm ungrateful, I give a thanks, you know. You're nice if the next one drop one that a lie. Yeah, man. So you don't know, see it there. Now lie to no peeps. The way the water go on. You saw the best side, but up at the rest of the place them. See it water climb rock, man. Breeze a blow hard, you know. Yeah, man. So we just have to give a thanks to catch them too, yeah. Because things are get worse, you know. Yeah, man, look there. Yeah, man. Then again, when I see one fisherman out on the water, so from you see that too, you must know, say, yo, I really not a fishing there, not a boat. Breeze too high, you know. Yeah, man, so. I don't know, we still out here, man. Still have to come out, come try go on our content, peeps. Still have to try do it. Yes, man. Yeah, man, peeps. I tell you. But see, peeps, but you don't know tomorrow me I come try again, you know? See if I can get in as much content as possible. You understand? On the way of the sea, but yeah, man, peeps, to come to you in our next video, you know what I'm saying? Also that excited like we expected to be, but at least we caught 2, and that's good, you know? So we not John Hill. So peeps, you hide out of land there, you know, you see me? You don't know where you go. Yeah, man, you don't know a team not there, but yeah, man, on behalf of me and the team, as me I said before, yeah, man, have a good time. Stay safe. You don't know the thing go. So until we see you again, outside with there, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. Yard and abroad.